Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Today we're going to make some baked pork chops and also some air fried pork chops. Now I'm not going to measure the seasonings out. You can season it to your liking. I'm going to start off with some black pepper. Of course, you can use whatever black pepper that you like. Italian seasoning. You can use whatever brand you have in your cabinet. Now we're going to season the front and turn it over and season the back as well, okay? Now for the kicker today, I'm going to use this. Can y'all see it? I don't want to say that word, but you see what it is? I have like 6 different flavors that I picked up from Amazon. My niece told me about it. I hope everyone is having a great day. It is so beautiful outside. I was actually thinking about putting these on a grill, but I think I'm just gonna put them in the oven and then sit on the porch while they're cooking and enjoy this beautiful weather that we're having. And as I stated, we're gonna flip these over and just season the back. One thing about pork, you definitely have to season it. Now I'm coated with some olive oil. Rub that in so it won't be dry. Now I did coat my pan already. Place this aside. Now I'm just gonna slice up my onion. Just gonna spray some canola oil on it just to coat the onions. And the oven has been preset to 325. It's going inside the Power Air Fryer Pro. Pepper, and use a little bit of Slap Your Mama. Just a tad bit because I got something I'm going to use with this. A little bit of accent. My favorite, some Red Hot. Just to give it a nice little bite to the back end. Yeah, I know I love some spicy food, so don't be alarmed about this. Paprika for coloring. Mix that in very well. Press, press, press. Again, we're going to coat both sides. I'll post these ingredients below that I'm using. Like I said, you can season this to your liking. Then I'm going to use, I want a barbecue flavor. Dump them in there. Shake the bag. So now that the pork chops are well breaded, coated, these are the trays for the Power Air Fryer Pro. What I normally like to do is coat the bottom for easy cleanup. And then we're just gonna place these on here. Shake off the excess. I may be able to get all 3 on this top. If not, I'll use a second tray. Oh, this smells good. I'm going to use, like I said, the Power Air Fryer Pro. It's kind of bulky. Y'all probably seen me use it before. I'm going to set it for 325, and I'm just going to coat this just a little bit with the spray. Halfway through, like I do chicken, I'm going to flip them. So I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just briefly wanted to come to you to show you all the ingredients that we use. Canola oil, olive oil, this good stuff right here. Granulated powder, you can use garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, slap your mama, accent, black pepper, of course my red hot seasoning Italian blend, and finally we use the Smokey BBQ coating and seasoning mix. Y'all, I kid you not. The crunchiness, that flavor of that smoky barbecue is on point with those ingredients that I used. My goodness, I kid you not. It is so crunchy. The juices inside, y'all, are to die for. And that little bit of red hot seasoning that I use is on the back end of it. It tastes so good. See the inside of that, how juicy and tender it looks? Just that golden brown. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious, y'all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are our delicious oven baked pork chops. Oh my. What do y'all think about this? Now, you don't have to use the onions. I just like onions, so I added onions on top for decoration. I do want to thank you for watching. Again, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're less than 400 away from our 1,000 goal of subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. You all remain safe. Don't forget to leave a comment below about the video. And until then, God bless you. Heaven smile upon you.